Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essential items so you can place a call immediately. Install Talk360 and grant microphone and contacts access so calls connect and names display. Once done, sign in or create an account and add a payment method or free credit to avoid interruptions. Make sure to verify your phone number and set your caller ID and country code. This ensures recipients recognize you and rates display correctly before you dial. You now place the call, open Talk360 and choose the dialer or pick a synced contact. Enter the full international number with the correct country code or select the contact to skip manual entry. Before you tap call, check the displayed call rate and remaining credit so there are no surprises when the call ends. Use Wi-Fi if available for clearer audio, and switch to mobile data only if signal strength drops to maintain call stability and reduce. You finish by ending the call with the red button and reviewing the call log and receipt to confirm billing and duration. Once done, top up credit or change your default country and caller ID for future calls, and enable callback features if you prefer callbacks to direct calling. If a call fails, first check app permissions, network strength, and whether you're on Wi-Fi, then update the app and retry. If problems persist, contact support with your log details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.